show. He got it. Porgy Brown. So right now we are at a car show. Look at all these beautiful cars.
Porgy, all I see is people.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, look to your right. Woo! Lots of cars.
Yeah.
Pretty cool cars too.
Yeah.
Okay, Toyota. Vehicle is booked.
That's locked. Here, let me help you.
Oh, thank you for it. Oh, it won't budge. I can turn on. No, I can't. This car's not good.
No. You must what?
Gain the travel knowledge.
Yes.
Turn.
What? Oh.
Check.
Oh.
Oh. Almost our torn. Here we go. Here's our torn.
No, wait, Porgy.
Oh, no, it's
Porgy,
not our
Porgy.
torn. It's not our torn. Cool whim. I can dunk on them like Shaquille O'Neal. It could be our turn very soon. Our turn.
Right.
Hold up.
Alright.
Cool tunes.
No.
Oh,
Come on, Porgy. Let me get on the other side. It's Todoroki floor.
Wait, you watching?
Enclosed.
Maybe they're sprayed because of the glass. I'm not really sure.
I don't know.
Maybe.
We're gonna find out. But right now the Ferris wheel is not working.
We're filming.
But maybe we'll be late.
Show.
So stay tuned. Minions, we got minions on the shirt. I like minions.
Weekdays, I'm like, let me see.
Yeah,
Let me see
Sarah,
what
let's
you're
see.
like. Monday, Wednesday. Yeah, that's me.
That's cute.
In a nutshell, right there.
That's cute.
Yeah, tomorrow.
All right, he's making an announcement for us. As soon as he's done, we'll start our show up over here.
We need somebody to open our show.
We
Anybody
do.
want to open it?
We need a helper.
Does anyone want to? Oh, Snowman's first hand up.
All right,
Come on,
Snowman.
man. Snowman. Oh, he doesn't even use the stairs. Who needs those? Nobody. Come right
Like
here.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, but the Snowman. All right, Snowman, what's your name? Brady. Nice to meet you. I'm April. So have you ever opened a live show before? Where are you from, Brady? Oh, cool. All right. Brady, are you ready for this? You're going to be a rock star. I can sense it. Okay, here's what you're going to do. I'm going to give you the microphone. And in your loudest, best announcer voice, you're going to say, "Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Toyota Live." And you're going to throw your hand up just like that.
Yeah.
And then when you do that, guess what's going to happen? Everybody here is going to go crazy for Brady. Okay? You ready? You got this. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Toyota Live.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Toyota Live.
Yeah! There you go, Brady.
Nice, Brady. You know what? I'm
He's
going to scratch
laughing.
your back. That was good. Get a back scratcher, my friend.
Welcome to Toyota Live, everybody. Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm April.
And that was Brady, and this is Toyota Live. One more time for Brady, everybody.
Thank
Where are you going, Porgy?
Great job.
So this is
Oh,
an
we're back there.
interactive show where we'll give you a chance to win some fun prizes.
I'll never buy a Toyota because they didn't have me open it.
No, that's sad.
Trivia, Raquel is back. Hi, Raquel.
Oh, both of the doors are open.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Oh, Porgy, watch out. Watch out for the camera.
Didn't have me open their show.
Porgy, it's fine.
It's not Joe.
Maybe they didn't want to pay you your fee.
Is it one of you? Okay, so if they picked you to open their show, would you have like stayed and watched?
No.
Let's hear what you said, Porgy.
Yeah, what would you have said? What?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Porgy with the Y.
I highly doubt you would have said that. You would have been like, "I'm the best Porgy there is."
I
Porgy.
am though.
Yeah. It's not an option, Porgy.
Very boring.
Porgy, how do you know about if a good car has good gears?
Good gear.
Oh. Alright.
Let's get out. It just smells.
Okay, okay.
Can you put the gum on?
Yeah. Just went fishing. Yeah, oh, cowboy.
In there. Out of Toyota.
Yeah.
The house of the dead. He's
It's
dead.
even worse. No, it's not. No, it's not. See? Porgy still says insert coins.
Oh, it does.
2 credits. Yeah. 2 credits to start. You need 2 points to start this Porgy.
It's gonna justice.
Yeah.
Stop. It's the game of life. I got it.
Porgy, what is this?
It's the game of life.
Yeah.
This is my
Look at the
favorite
spinner.
This is my favorite.
Yeah.
Brought to life.
Yeah.
Come on. Fine. You don't want to do it? No.
Okay, so what car are we in?
I don't know.
Anything far away from Toyota?
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, thank you.
Mediocre. Very mediocre.
It's car. Porgy, but it's like.
Shucks.
Alright.
Where's Deep?
I don't know.
Car.
Ooh,
So
this is-
it's only reasonable.
Yeah.